Hello, I hope you are well. I welcome you. To know about animals, stay with us until the end of the video. If you want, click the subscribe button. Let's go to the video. Turtles are a group of reptiles known as Testudines. This animal has a hard coat that it goes into if it feels danger. Turtles are spawning reptiles that exist in two types, herbivores and carnivores. They are cold-blooded creatures whose body temperature changes depending on their environment. For example, sea turtles have a higher temperature than water due to their body structure. Although many turtles live in water, they lack water. These animals have lungs and breathe air. On the other hand, they don't lay eggs in the water. Appearance characteristics of turtles. Skull turtles have relatively round skulls and their jaw and snout bones are short in herbivorous species. Turtles have another distinctive feature, which is that these creatures do not have teeth. But the upper and lower jaws are covered with horny tissue, which allows the turtle to break down and swallow food. The function of their muzzle is very similar to a bird's beak. Turtles will have different weight and length according to their type and species. But the largest type of turtle in the wild is the sea leather turtle, which can be more than 2 meters long with a weight of about 900 kilograms. In the leopard turtle species, the radius of their shell can reach up to 40 centimeters and they have a heavy body. It is possible for them to live up to 40 years. Siamese turtles are small, up to 20 centimeters. Mediterranean turtles are relatively large and their shell width reaches 30 centimeters. Spotted turtles are the smallest known turtles on Earth, with an average body length of 5 to 6 centimeters. And their shell is smooth and without convexity. Soft-shelled turtles may reach 30 centimeters in length. The weight of the Aldabra tortoise can reach 250 kilos and the radius of its shell can reach 122 centimeters. Skin. The skin of the turtle's body is thick and scaly, so that it is resistant to dryness, cold, heat and ultraviolet rays and makes life possible in harsh weather conditions. Hands and feet. In most breeds, 5 fingers are observed on each of the locomotor organs, hands and feet. But some species, such as Horsfield, have 4 toes. In aquatic breeds, it takes on a fin-like organ and helps the animal to swim well in the water. Behavioral characteristics of turtles. Turtles are generally thought to be completely silent animals, but in reality, turtles are capable of making a variety of sounds when communicating. But turtles are not primarily social animals and can spend their entire lives alone. Defensive or aggressive behaviors of turtles are often territorial. These behaviors often occur when related to reproduction or feeding. Alpha or dominant turtles use their urine and feces to keep other groups out of their territory or to mark their privacy with the scent of their cloacal glands. Although the ratio of brain weight to body weight in turtles is low, turtles are very intelligent. Behaviors like playing and solving problems have been seen in them. Wood turtles are more able to navigate the maze of complex paths than white mice. Studies have shown that turtles are trainable and have a high memory. Interesting facts about turtles. In turtles, the skeleton of the turtle's body is inside its shell. Lack is one of the unique features of turtles. And although it limits movement especially on land for these creatures due to its heavy weight, it is a good protection for the outer part of the skin and their defense against invaders and external threats. Another interesting thing about the shell of this animal is that the shell has many nerves and veins, so when faced with pressure and impact, the turtle experiences pain and pressure. This varnish is soft at birth and hardens in a short time, about 2 weeks. Different types and species of turtles. There are different species of turtles, but they are generally divided into 3 groups: land turtles, aquatic turtles, and two-life turtles. Each of these species also has different types and can be seen in different sizes. Each race has its own physical and behavioral characteristics. There is a big difference between aquatic and marine turtles and terrestrial and semi-aquatic species. Some of them are as follows. horsetail turtle, Asiatic terrestrial species, leopard tortoise, native and herbivorous African terrestrial race, hinged turtles, Siamese turtles, Mediterranean turtle, land turtles, spotted turtle. Herbivorous turtles native to South Africa, soft-shell turtle, sea turtles, red-eared turtle, semi-aquatic turtles, Aldabra tortoise, the largest land turtle in the world. Lifespan of turtles. According to the type and species of turtles, they can have different lifespans, so that some species of land turtles live 100 years or more. Several common species of domestic tortoises also live up to 40 years. Although many factors affect their lifespan, larger turtles, which are often land turtles, live longer. Smaller species, which are mostly kept as pets, have shorter lifespans. However, they may live for decades. Some turtles also have a lifespan of about 200 years, or even more. Reproduction of turtles. The way turtles reproduce is related to their species and breed. Turtles differ greatly in reproductive and mating behaviors. In some cases, the male turtles may fight each other during the mating season and kill their rival in order to possess the female turtle. Sea turtles spend most of their lives at sea, but come to shallow waters near shores to mate during breeding season. In some species, temperature is effective in determining the sex of the newborns. High temperature causes female offspring and low temperature causes male offspring. Female turtles come to the beach at night and lay eggs. They dig holes at night and lay up to 200 eggs. The eggs are usually placed in mud and sandholes and buried, and the female leaves the eggs after spawning. Depending on the turtle species, the eggs hatch after 70 to 120 days. Babies may not reach maturity and reproduce for years. Newborn baby turtles have many enemies and many of them are killed before they reach reproductive age. The eggs of turtles are like the eggs of most reptiles and are soft and leathery, but they are different in structure and composition from bird eggs. Turtles may not lay eggs annually and there may be gaps of several years between laying eggs. Habitat of turtles. The habitat of turtles depends on their type. Some of them live in deep water and some are on land and in forests. The habitats of most species of land turtles are plains, mountains, forests and deserts. Turtle food will be different according to the species and habitat of this animal. But in general, turtles feed on aquatic plants and invertebrates such as worms, snails and insects, as well as the remains of dead animals. Some loggerhead turtles are predators and eat fish. Small, growing, and immature turtles are more inclined to eat meaty foods due to their high protein needs during growth. Sea turtles also generally eat soft foods such as jellyfish, sea sponges, aquatic plants, especially algae. Some turtles with stronger jaws can also feed on shells and harder foods. The difference between male and female turtles in some species. The color of male turtles changes during the mating season and is used as a factor to attract the attention of females. These reptiles do not differ much until they reach adulthood. But after that, their gender can be easily recognized. In general, it should be noted that male turtles reach sexual maturity earlier and this may happen at the age of 3 to 4 years. In addition, puberty in females occurs at the age of 5. Female turtles have larger shells and male turtles have longer tails. Thank you for staying with us until the end of the video. Please like and subscribe to be informed about our latest videos. Have a good time.